Hey, what the hell's going on here? Well, fine then, don't answer me. No, I want to know what the hell's going on here. Oh, you guys are assholes. Okay, seriously. If you don't tell me what the hell you guys are doing, I'm gonna make some weird animal noises, yeah. Yeah, see if you like that.
Oh my god, what the hell is your problem?
You lose.
Yes, I know I lost. Because of this douchebag right here.
Whoa. A real douchebag? Dude, I've never seen a douchebag before. Can I get your autograph? No, but I'm not a douchebag.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
What were you guys doing anyway? We were having a no-talking contest. And I won.
Great. Now I have to take him to Tokyo to see Teletubbies on ice. Are you happy now? Hey, how about double or nothing? If you win, I'll take you to see Dora the Explorer. On ice.
Oh my god. You're on.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
You guys are freaking weird.